Hello, I am Ajit Prabhakar and I am going to put my hand in this box.
In this Pandora box.
And in this Pandora box, thank you.
Don't look.
Okay. I feel very cool one. This is a ink bottle.
An ink bottle.
An ink bottle, and there is a blue ink bottle and white cap. The company of this ink bottle is Shallow, and this is for whiteboard, marker, and it quantity is 15 ml, and it price it careful
23 rupees.
23 rupees. And Shallow ink available on 4 color: blue, black, red, and green. And her size of bottle is its size of bottle is maximum 2 inch. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sadhna Pandey and here is a Pandora Box activity. I put my hand inside and searching the object and speak something on the object.
Pick it out. What are you searching for?
So I have a duster. It is used for removing anything on the whiteboard. The color of duster is black and white. It is also a damaged duster. You see it. There is a two holder. Marker holder. It helps us to hold the marker. And the company of duster is Ajanta Skin. The price of duster approx 50 to 60 rupees. That's enough. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Akriti Gupta and I am going to put my hand on this Pandora box.
I pick a mic. I pick a mic from this Pandora box. It is a damaged mic and its company is for microphone BT PRO 58A, and it was totally damaged. It is totally damaged, and it is a black color, and the speaker of the upside is silver color, and you can speak through a mic. If you want to speak loud, you should have to you should use this mic to speak loudly. Thank you.
Okay, as per the demand of my students, I'm also going to pick something inside the box. But I think there is nothing in this box now. There is something. Stapler. This is a mini stapler. Okay? And I think there is no pin in this stapler because it is already useless stapler. And the company is Kangaroo Mini. As I have already said, it is a Mini 10. The color of this stapler is purple.
No.
Sky blue. Sky blue. Or it matches with my shirt.
No, sir.
No. Almost matches, but matches. Why are you saying like this? Good. And it is just because of this shape, you can handle it easily. It is a very handy stapler. You can pick it in your pocket as well, in bag as well. And sometimes you can use this to shut someone's mouth also.
Yeah.
Just pin someone's. And a very few pages you can staple with this mini stapler pen. Staplers. Okay? Price, I don't recall its price. It would be 40 rupees. It comes for 40 rupees. Oh my god, it's too expensive.
Yeah,
40 rupees. And the big one?
right.
55 rupees. How did you know? How did you know the prices of every... Okay, you bought such shape. And Afzal is having a stapler in his bag. Okay, wow. It is useless and that is useful. Okay, with this, yes. This activity is finished. And what we have learned from this activity, this Pandora Box activity, when you come here and you don't know what stuffs are in this box, you pick it out and suddenly speak over the object. And this enhances your mental capability, your confidence to speak over any object at random. The object you have not seen before, and you found, and you spoke well. This enhances your mental ability, mental capability, and it also makes you agile, confident. Okay, with this activity, we are going to finish this class. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you for spending your time on this Sunday. Thank you, everyone.
Welcome, everyone.